everyone. This is Cindy playing with the heart. This is part 2 of my Destash. So make sure you watch part 1. The way it's going to work is I'm going to be selling the stamps individually. And then I'll probably either do lots or I just will do a box of what's left. So that way, if you have these ones, you don't have to be obligated to buy a lot. It may not be your cup of tea. So I'm going to continue on with the numbering system I was using. So this one is number 14. This is going to be $8.50. You get both of these. I actually love these, but I just wasn't using them. If they don't sell, I might end up keeping them because actually these are my 2 favorite ones of these. So this is Lonnie and Tabitha. Super, super cute. This is Tailored Expressions. It's number 14 and it's $8.50. Then I've got this stamp set, which is from, I believe, Amuse Studio. And this is what it looks like right here. And this one's never, ever been used. And so I'm selling this one. This is number 15. This one I am selling for $4. Then I've got this. This is, I believe it's My Favorite Things. It's got each individual letter. And then it's got, I don't know, these are kind of like capitals. And these are like lowercase and capital. I'm not sure. But anyways, 2 sets of letters. They're small. They work really well in planners, I think. But this is going to be number 16. And this is $4. Then I've got this one. This is Holiday Inn. And I have not used Holiday Inn at all. So he's going to be number 17. And he is $7.50. And then so randomly, I don't know, I have this one right here. This is Santa's Wonderland Dies by Neat and Tangled. I don't know why. I bought these twice. And that's very, very frustrating. So this is number 18. And these are $8.50. Then I've got Cards TV. This one, I forget what it's called, but it's this bear one. I didn't use this very often. So this is number 19. This is $7 shipped. This is number 20. This is the jar one. I don't think I use this one at all, I want to say. So this is number 20, and this is $7 as well. Remember, these prices include shipping. Then I have this, which is I have twice. And I think I did use the main stamp on this one. I can't remember, but I have both. I have it twice. And this is the, I forget what they call it. It's the WTG, which I think is it something on to go or something like that? Fairy Dust. This is number 21. And it is going to be $10 shipped. And I'm going to have to stop this video and come back with a part 3 because my dog is barking.